Before you're creating YouTube video, all you have to worry about is how to rank in YouTube search engine. Before you create YouTube video, you have to worry only about how to rank in a YouTube search engine. The big gurus are telling you it's very important to come up with a plan, but I'm saying to you, no! You can make plans, but those plans will not gonna work 999 times out of 1000. There are no really other plans than post daily videos up till 4 minutes, because you have to see where YouTube open doors for you. That's the only plan. And again, big YouTubers, they say that you have to think what you want to accomplish with your video. And I'm saying to you, no, because it doesn't matter what you want to accomplish, because you have to deal with the YouTube first. YouTube will determine which direction they were gonna put you, and then based on what's happening, you can start making plans only when you got analytics. In the next video, I will show you analytics. Only thing what you want to accomplish is post videos daily, up till 4 minutes, and let the YouTube decide which direction they will send you. If you want to know how to rank in YouTube search engine. And again, the big YouTubers, they say and they teach, you have to know who your targeted audience is. I'm saying to you, no, you don't have to, because you don't know who it will gonna be. It will gonna be mom, dad, or it will gonna be teenager, or it will gonna be grandpa. It will gonna be professor or teacher or just a musician. You don't know to whom YouTube will gonna send your videos. Again, analytics will gonna show you who your audience is, and it might be totally different from what you have been thinking about. And again, big YouTubers say you have to know what type of content you want to include. I'm saying to you, no, because you don't have to think. You have to find somebody who is successful in the same niche you are thinking about to go in. And then you find out why they are successful, and you make videos in your style about what has been successful for them. That's called modeling. You don't think. Simply find somebody who is successful with your idea already and do it differently, in your way, in your style, with your voice, and you will be successful. And this is just how to rank in YouTube search engine. And again, big YouTubers, they said, make sure to research best practices for creating YouTube videos. I'm telling you, no, there are no such a thing as best practices. The best practice what you can follow is Jesus' principles, how it works, because he got the most followers in the world. There should be some principles to learn from. And finally, make sure you include titles, keywords in the titles, tags, in description, keywords, thumbnails with metadata, because if you want to know how to rank in YouTube search engine, those things you have to simply do. And those are very, very simple actually. Be blessed. See me on the next video.